It's Eric with H&S Auto Shot here, looking at our brand new Pull Pro portable dent pulling tower. That part number is UNI 1096. If you buy that particular kit, you're going to get two boxes, box 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. Let's see what's in the box.
Today, we're going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to use the brand new H&S Pull Pro portable dent pulling tower. This is the dent we're going to be working on today, and we already have it prepped and ready for step 1. Move the Pull Pro over to the area you're working on and adjust it to the appropriate height. Secure your preferred accessory or your included claw to the damaged area. Now position your vacuum plate parallel with the tower approximately at a 45-degree angle. Power the plate with compressed air between 85 to 120 psi and make sure to press down on the plate to ensure that the vacuuming starts. Ensure that the strap is in the locking clamp. Secure the hook to the eyelet. Make sure to tighten the tension on your strap. Make sure that this lever is in the up position, and then you're going to take your handle and turn it clockwise until the desired pulling is reached. Now that your dent is pulled, you'll want to make sure to flip down this lever, release your attachments, and tuck it away until the next project.